Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about how to replace an existing layout with your current layout seen on screen. So first off, let's set up an example scenario here. So over here in monitor. Now, depending on your goal, to replace an existing layout with your current layout on screen, you will first have to select either a system layout or your own layout that you would like to change. So let's say over here, I open my own layout. So let's say right now I have my layout open and I want to make some changes. Let's say I want to delete this panel and then I would like to switch this panel to another panel. Now all I have to do next is just to click on save, and then you have two choices here. Either you would like to override, which means you replace the current layout with your layout, or you can click on save as new to save this as a new layout. So let's say if I save it as a new layout, I can give it, let's say, mine 2, save new layout. Now if I apply mine, it's still the original layout. And then if I click on mine 2, it will then be the layout that I've just changed.